This is my hostel, Waikiki Beachside Hostel. It is excellent. So you can see that left side also Waikiki Beachside Hostel. There are three buildings, A, B, and C. So today I am going to take that up and up of bus tour. So there are 4 lines in up and up of in Waikiki. One is pink line, one is blue line, one is red line, and one is green line. So I will take tickets for all the lines, so I might get discount. So then I experience that, like I travel by all the lines, so that Waikiki city tour and Honolulu will be finished. So there is also bus ticket for $9.50, so which is a day pass, like we can travel 24 hours using the day pass. So day pass I will take on last day, because I am going to airport on last day, so I can with the day pass I can take different buses, and finally I can go to airport by using day pass, because ticket to airport from here is $3, so that $3 I can also save. So this is the plan for today. So after visiting, after taking all sightseeing buses, so there are 2 options. Either I can go to Honolulu Zoo, just in front of me, so and in opposite to my road, and then I can go to beach, so I can spend some time in the beach. Beach is excellent. So I will see after my tour is finished. So now I am going to Denny's to have my breakfast, like onion rings and bread toast, bread jam. Yeah, this is a plan for today. This is Denny's, just only 3 minutes from my hostel. So today is 7th of April, Monday. So now the time is 7:30, around 7:30 am. So I will have breakfast in Denny's, and then I will take a bus tour, up and up of bus tour. I am walking towards bus, that up and up of bus stop. So it is 1.5 kilometers from my hostel. I have to go there and buy tickets, so I can buy for either 1 day or 2 days. So I will see after going there, like if it is difference is not much, so then I will go for 2 days tickets, so I can take time and do the tours. So I am just walking towards City Plaza. I have just stopped. I can see Marriott Resort and Spa. So the spa, Starbucks is there. So there is Hyatt Place, that building, in that yellow building, off-white building. So in the same building I can see Domino's. So all are available nearby. So the bus is coming. I think it's 20 number. Yes, 20R. I think it goes to airport. So day after police, Honolulu police. So day after tomorrow, I have to take this bus to go to airport. So no need for taxi, because it is very far. So it's by bus it takes like 1 hour, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So taxi is expensive, not required. So this I am walking towards Plaza. See Waikiki, how beautiful it is. See the buildings, see the trees, palm trees. See the buildings. So they are maximum height. So I think they can't go beyond that. See the buses, big buses. This is electric hybrid bus. Oh, 20 is going to airport. Yeah, I found it, the bus stop. So you can see the flight symbol on the bus. So it is going to Honolulu Airport, HNL. So I can take day after tomorrow. So day after tomorrow my flight is at 10 o'clock in the night. So at least I have to start here by 6:37. So that I can reach airport by max 7:38, because only 2 hours needed. I mean, now the US domestic, international is not. I have crossed international border. So I am within US domestic now. So it's only 2 hours. This is one more hotel. So this is Hilton Waikiki Beach Resort and Spa. So it might be very expensive. I didn't check. This is Alo Hilani Resort, Waikiki Beach. They're parking. So this Hilton looks nice. Hilton always looks nice. So there is an ABC store. So ABC stores are everywhere. So we can get everything in ABC. So people are waiting at pedestrian crossing. Even have to wait. I'm walking towards Plaza. Sushi is a Japanese restaurant. I've seen enough Japanese restaurants in my life in Japan from past 10 days. But I didn't even touch a single dish. So I feel very bad for that. So when I visit any country, like normally people, they taste different food. But I can't do that. Yesterday I have spent like $15, but didn't have my dinner or Indian dinner or lunch, so I was feeling hungry. So this is Waikiki Park Heights. So it looks like a residential building, also a residential building. So today is Monday, people might be going to offices. So this is Pacific Monarch building. Here people, they don't want to come in videos. So in Japan it was different. So they never mind if we record or if we take photographs. But the only thing is they just bend when we take video. They think that they might be disturbing our video. This is Kanikapolai line road. So there is a signal I can cross. So the city bus is going. This is one more road. I have to change direction, my phone direction, whenever I see people or whenever I listen any music, because if music is there, so it will be blocked. Normally we don't see people running for the buses here, but now we can see. This Waikiki market looks beautiful. I have to find a restaurant, different restaurant for my breakfast or lunch because it is expensive. So onion rings and bread toast is $9.50. It's too much for breakfast. So I have to find out. Until that, this is Hilton Garden in Waikiki Beach. One more Hilton hotel. Very big, excellent. There is one more hotel there. This is one restaurant, the Firehill Waikiki. So there's a Target supermarket there. Departmental store, it's very big. This is the main entrance for Hilton Garden Inn Hotel, Waikiki Beach. See the hood, see the hotel, see the lobby. Excellent. But it might be very, very expensive. So you can see a restaurant, shop there inside the hotel. So school bus you can see yellow color. This international marketplace, I think is a big shopping complex. Might be you might get reasonable goods for reasonable rates. So ABC stores again. So there are several ABC stores in Waikiki. So this is one more road. Guy cleaning the roads with the machine. These are some more hotels, offices, supermarkets. So one more road going inside. We can see mountains nearby. This is the bus which I took yesterday, bus number 20. Now it is going towards Waikiki Beach and hotels, where my hotel is located. So I have to take a reverse route after tomorrow. So these are different buildings, offices. You can see Starbucks. There are buildings. all buildings, all hotels, and rest, residences, restaurants. So it's totally different world. This is first world. Hawaii. One more road going inside, so towards that mountain, and there are some hotels and residential flats.